Hi everyone, Carol Brightbill. Have you realized in the course of your day how important your browser has become to your whole life, your work life, your personal life? It is involved in so much that you do. And I want to show you a few ways what you can do to help keep your browser uncluttered and more organized. One of the first things I want to show you is the search engine. When you open up Chrome, you automatically assume that you are searching through Chrome, the browser, you're searching through Google, but that's not always true. Let me show you how to go and make sure you are searching through Google Chrome. When you go to the three dotted ellipse in the upper right, and we're going to go to Settings. In the left menu, you'll see where it says Search Engine. Mine is set to Google, but if I select Change, let me show you what happens if I select Yahoo. Set as default. Let's open up a tab. Now everything has changed. The whole look of it has changed. You can see you don't see Gmail. You're seeing news articles. I find Yahoo to be kind of spammy, so I don't like Yahoo. Also, if I change it to Bing and set as default. Now all of a sudden there's pictures there. There's all kinds of articles that I'm not interested in. So let me close this, and I'm going to change this back to Google, set as default, and look how nice and neat and clean that is. The search bar in the middle of the Google page is called the Omnibox, but if you look under the Omnibox, you'll see where it has Add Shortcuts. This is where you can add websites that you recently visited, or you can add your own shortcuts and customize this and make this however you want it to be. If I select Add Shortcut and I add the name of the website that I want to have come readily available. Let me say done. Now, every time I click on that, it will load up that website that I always want to show here. To customize this, down in the lower right, it says Customize Chrome. And when you come a little lower, here's where it says Shortcuts. If your shortcuts aren't showing, it's because you don't have this lever turned to turn on so that you can see your shortcuts. You can also see the radio buttons. You can make the shortcuts My Shortcuts, shortcuts that you've curated and added, or most visited sites. And while we're in this area, I also want to show you where it says Show Cards. In the middle of the screen, you can see where it shows files from my Google Drive. I can turn this on and off. I can turn it on so that my calendar events will show up here and my Google Drive files will show up here. If you select the three dotted ellipse at the top, it will show that you can hide these files, don't show the drive, about this card, and customize cards. If you select customize cards, then this box on the right will appear. Now the next thing I want to show you is when you hit the waffle, the 9-point grid. Did you know that you can drag these around and organize these as you want them? I like having mine organized by the way that I use them. I like all my Google files all in a row. Here's YouTube, contacts. You can drag ones from the bottom and bring up to the top. And the last thing I want to show you are my bookmarks. You can see across the top that I have folders for my bookmarks, and it looks like I don't bookmark very much. But if you open up any of these folders, you can see all the bookmarks that I really actually have. And how you stay organized with this, you go to the three dotted ellipse in the upper right corner, and where you want to go is to Bookmarks and List. And you want to go to your Bookmark Manager. When you're in your Bookmark Manager, in the upper right, there's a three dotted ellipse. You can come here and you can do Add a New Bookmark and add a new folder, import bookmarks, or export your bookmarks if you want to keep them safe. I find it important to really keep my browser nice and organized and clean because it helps my day to go a little bit smoother. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and have a great day, everyone.